Today we're going to be looking at WetFire by Ultimate Survival Technologies. So here's what they look like out of the package. They are individually wrapped. They can be broken into multiple pieces for multiple uses. They are supposed to stay fresh for 5 years if left unopened. Only a small amount is really needed to start a fire, and they burn roughly around 5 minutes according to the package. They supposedly extinguish easy, and they actually burn longer if they are wet. Something to keep in mind. Let's see how well these work after being submerged in water. Now let's see how long one of these will actually burn for. Well, it looks like it did go out, but as you can see on the bottom here, there is a lot more fuel left. So my guess is this might go for another minute if you relit it. Got this ash off the top. So yeah, that burned pretty well, I'd say. In conclusion, I'd say these things are good to go. They don't weigh much and would make a great addition to your fire kit. I'll leave links down in the description where you can find this stuff online. Have a good day.